Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new vlog. I'm starting it off this morning. Nairobi is really cold. I have my hoodie on and then a denim jacket on top. It's so cold. It rained yesterday. I don't know why. I'm heading to the bank right now. I want to go pay some stuff, rent and fees and everything. Yeah, so I'm heading to the bank right now. So I'll just take you guys along with me. Okay, it's so cold. I'm dreading even going out. But anyway, I have to go. So yeah.
Hanno firi sin amigo pai mio. Hanno firi sin amigo headache mio. Hanno firi sin there sin for the season. If I sin, Yo, Ricky. My brother. I know fi calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I know fi reason how many people offend me go. Inside the life now, inside the carcass. Open my eyes, Lord, make I dey see you, yeah. Make I face my front. Make a banjem no use me test run. Make poto no stain my cloth. Home advantage every time I ball. Cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing aside on my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah. I know fear is in me go by me. I know fear is in me go.
So this is the next day. I'm going to my aunt's place with my friend. My friend is camera shy. Yeah, we're going to take pictures and create content. She's going to help me. So yeah, I'll show you guys how that goes.
For the season, if I reason, I feel good day, colomenta, yeah, mega no go, colomenta.
So guys, I'm done with the second outfit. Okay, the pictures are looking so nice. I'm so happy. My makeup is still looking okay. Yeah, I'm so happy the pictures are turning out okay. I'm going to the third outfit. Yeah, and then you'll see what next. That's my friend. Yeah.
Make a no mental. I know feelings in me goodbye.
So tumemaliza kushoot. We are heading back home. We're heading back home.
Overdose me, you love they overdose me. Now you, I want to love you. I think I follow love, overloading. I'll be overloading your bed account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Don't tell me love it tastes like this. Got my money in my pocket like this. It's kind in my wallet like this. Wisdom in my knowledge like I follow good, I know they follow mine. For you, I'm around to consider. Taking photographs, and if it's signed by me, then it's an autograph. Overdose me.
Hey guys. So this is another day. I've gone out with my mom. Tumeenda chama. Yeah, so tuko chama huku. Watu wanapiga kelele. So a lot of food. Yeah. Let me go say hi because hata sijaingia kwa nyumba.
Love they overdose me, now you, I want me love you, I think of for your love, overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Whoa, tell me the amount.
So, what amefika wengi wengi. Now we want to eat. Yeah.
Let's the way. In the night when the lights out, let's go away. To an island far away. You and I, we will be here together. You will be my forever.
So this is another day. Today is Monday. Okay, I'm trying to be louder in my vlogs because I realize my sound is not that good, a bit low. So I don't have a microphone as of yet, but I'll try get one. Yeah, I'm going to the salon. I've washed my hair. I've put in leave-in treatment, and I'm just going to get braids on. My salonist is really, really nice. I don't know if I'll get knotless braids. She'll tell me. She's the one who used to braid me when I had long hair. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what we decide.
Plenty fish and banana. I will be your Mayana. Nothing but I love.
Hey love, so I am back from the salon and my salonist said my hair was long enough to do knotless braids because imagine if I had done like normal braids. Ningekuwa naumwa na kichwa sahi. So I have knotless braids. Yeah, I love them. They're so painless. Okay, they're a bit painful because my hair was short, but other than that, I love them. And they're not that long. So I'm so happy. They look so nice. Hey guys, so today's another day. Today is Wednesday. So what I want to do today, I'm going to I have a function. There's this color themed, rainbow themed picnic that I'll be going somewhere later on in October. No, early October. I want to get ready for that. So what's happening is that you're supposed to go to the picnic with a color theme. Like if you're wearing orange, you should carry snacks that like are orange or something of the sort. I've not really, I don't really have anything I'd be wearing. So I want to go out and thrift a bit. I want to go to think twice and see if they have any cute pieces that I can pick. Yeah, that will be it. So I'll just take you guys along with me. Yep.
Nothing but I love. Nothing but the smile on our face. Cause we know say nothing but I love. Nothing but I love. Nothing but the love that we get. Cause we know say don't ever make it. Them say, cause our love will never fade. Them.
I am back home and this is the bag I came from Think Twice with. I bought it there as well. Solo, I got things are going for like 50 bob. I got this, it's like a bandeau top. And then I got this for my sister. This is just a sweater top. It's Zara. Yeah. My sister will love this when she comes from school. I also got a bodysuit. It's misguided. Yeah. I got this trouser. This one will be for my mom. This is my mom's. Oh, I got this t-shirt from, this is a H&M t-shirt. It's just like coding stuff. I love t-shirts. I love extra large t-shirts. And then I got myself these jeans. They're high-waisted. And these ones are from the brand John Banner Jeanswear. Yeah. It fits me so well. So well. I can't wait to style these jeans. Yeah, and then this bag. It's pretty special. That's why I bought it. It's so nice. Yeah. I didn't get the dress I wanted. I didn't get the cloth I wanted like for the occasion, for the picnic, but I'll have to figure it out because I really, really need an outfit. I'm thinking of either green or orange. Those are the two colors I'm really leaning towards as of now. So yeah.
but this love, nothing but the love way we get. Cause we know say don't ever make it. Them shade, them shade. Them shade. For you and I, we will be here together. You will be my forever. Aye, 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 aye. Plenty fish and banana. I will be your Mayana. Aye, 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 aye. Nothing but our love. Nothing but our love. Nothing but the smile on our face. Cause we know say nothing but our love. Nothing but our love. Nothing but the love that we get. Cause we know say don't ever make it. Them say.
So today is Friday. Me and my sister, we were taking some pictures. There she is. We were taking some pictures for my Instagram, and they're looking so nice. My sister is a really nice photographer. Yeah, she's a really nice photographer. The pictures are looking really, really nice. Go onto my page. I'll link it down in the description box below. I'll put in the link for my Instagram page. But for now, I think I'll just end this video here. People are looking at me weird, like I'm doing something illegal. Okay, but for now, I think I'll just end the vlog here because it's pretty long. So I'll end it here. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And like the video as well to help it be shown to other people. And you can share and comment as well. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, guys. Bye.
Cause our love will never fade.